so we got USDC at Moonriver. So here's the problem. On Huckleberry, we have Wanchain Bridge USDC.m, but we use the X-Pollinate bridge and we just have USDC on Moonriver. So there's this stablecoin swap site called Wanswap, which is partnered with Huckleberry, and they have multiple types of stable coins that you can swap, like multiple types of USDC. So they have both USDC and USDC.m and USDC.e. So we need to connect the wallet. There we go. 21.86. There we go. Look, we're swapping. You know, there's a tiny bit of slippage there, but you know, you're getting the convenience of not having to bridge back somewhere else. Now you can go ahead and use these funds right away in Huckleberry. I did just approve the USDC. We're getting USDC.m. Wanswap, fairly small stablecoin protocol here, about 1.8 million TVL. The market cap of Wanswap is only 267,000. You get these tokens for farming stablecoins, so not really surprise. Moonriver hasn't really been taken off too much since it's kind of been taking a dump with the rest of the market. Alright, so that should be swapping there. While we're doing that, we're going over to Huckleberry again. Like, we got the USDC.m, so it did already swap. I'm actually gonna buy some more fin here, and we're gonna stake that and get a little bit more Tom. Just kind of show off all these different things you can do on Huckleberry DEX again. Need to approve. Alright, we need to approve, and then we're gonna swap. Give it a second here. So we're approved. We're gonna swap it. Let's do it. Alright, we're going back to Huckleberry and we're waiting for the swap. We're going to Tom's house. We're gonna stake. Let's stake 36.586 fin. We're gonna save 200. Try and match that with WASP. We're gonna have to go get some more WASP. We're gonna show you how to do that. Show you how to do it all, guys. Let's do it. Alright, so we're waiting on Huckleberry here. Just approved some. Bring the WAN bridge back over here. Alright, let's see. We gotta stake the fin. Stake the fin. Staking some fin. Going on an excursion. So this is a different wallet than the last video. I'm gonna stake Tom and get more WAN again. Hopefully soon. We have this WASP excursion here, and we have been told that